Jazz drops in. She's thinking about dropping in. We're down here at Northport Skate Park in Northport, Florida, South Florida, or South Sarasota, also South Florida. Jazz is showing you how it's done. She's in the bowl up here. It's a very cool bowl, this design. It's so fun to carve around here. There's a deep end and a shallow end, as you can see. The transitions don't go totally to vert, so it's not so scary. I love it. Concrete's a little porous because it's an older course, but just, you know, little soft wheels, it's no big deal. Jazz doing the half cab, working on the half cab. So we're gonna come across here and we're gonna check out, first of all, we're gonna check out Jazz doing something real quick. Half cabbing it out. Good job. So we're over here, we're gonna check out this little area. There's a half pipe right here, which is really cool. So you can have, there's multiple kind of little half pipes on this park. So it makes it kind of fun. So you can, and this is pretty similar size to the bowl right here, as far as the height. Little island right there, and there's a roller on the outside, which is super fun. This end is a little higher than right here in front of me. But you can see how long this is across here. It's really cool. It's just a big area, a big park with what you can see very well, which we like. There's not a lot of blind spots. There is a really fun roll in right here, right there. You roll in and you fly across and jump that box there. That's super fun. Are you gonna do it? Jazz is gonna do it. She's thinking about doing it. She's thinking about it. She's gonna do it. She's eyeing it up. Here she comes. Down the roller. Getting major speed. Yeah. Carving it up. All smiles out here. So there's lots of things to do here. Big area to skate. Lots of vision. I'm gonna drop in. Try not to wreck holding the camera. It's pretty scary. Fun corners. This place is just so much fun. Like I said, you can see everywhere. There's lots of places, lots of areas to see. You can have lots of not a lot of blind spots. It makes it pretty cool. So as you can see, everyone can see what's going on. It's a fun place to come. And over here, you have a little seating area with some bathrooms. Makes it nice. Always nice. There's water fountain. This place is open. What is it? 8 to 8?
8 to 8.
8 to 8. Don't be late. Come to the gate. After 8, they close the gate.
But it's totally free.
Yeah, it's free. It's really nice. All the people are pretty cool down here. Really friendly and laid back. Kids of all ages. There's a little street section over here. A little street section, I should say. Little boxes, which I'm managing to grind on these just a little last time I was here. So anyway, this place is really fun to come. So if you guys are ever in South Sarasota in Northport area, come and check it out. And if you guys have any other places you guys want us to check out or anything else, let us know. We'll see you guys later. Have a great day.